My brothers and sisters, the voice of Biafra, the person where they hear his name, Nana Buchanan, then we don't come again today. All of on way call me for the last program about the Goromado issue. I thank all. On our even calls me, then I thank all too. How all of on a day today? Today get small program we want to do. Now about this money ritual killing, where people they kill for money. Now why I want touch and waiting pay me why I want touch him. Now what thing happened few weeks ago, or few years, about a week or 2 weeks ago, where one small boy, when never even reach 18 years, go kill the mama, his own mama we born her. Carry the mama, keep inside room, go the have sex with the mama, they sleep with the mama. Because one idiot, where they say na babalawo, now don't tell and say now what he go make. If he do and finish, he go become millionaire. This ignorant and foolish boy go kill his own mama we born her. And this thing no be today. We don't do. In fact, they don't tell why I supposed to talk about this thing. But I say we can talk about this thing today because we there for August. See, season don't they come. Before they know now, some useless people go they kill their girlfriends, their mama, their papa. They kill innocent children, say they go make money. Now why I say make I can't talk to una. Make una know say nothing they like money ritual. Say no head. Forget the useless things. Who Nollywood they show now. Where me I don't talk to some of them. I advise them make they act those nonsense. Because that thing they send dangerous message to people. People they watch this and things say nah true, these things they happen. No person head if it vomit money. Any money we see for any system the central bank print am. Unless another person whereby get his own machine like central bank too, na print am. Every money come from central bank. If you say you go call somebody head, they say the head they vomit money. Okay, if that country change that currency, the head go begin change, begin vomit new money. All these things na work. They get some scam way they get people who stay inside bush, they call themselves a native doctor or the mystic people. Say then they give money. No, then they give any money because you know how, why? Because if you come to do something, they go see charge you money to do money ritual for you. That one supposed to tell you say na guy then they work you. Nothing there like money ritual. Make I tell you, the only money ritual where they exist, now people where they into secret cult. Now when I talk secret cult, no be this useless one where they Nigerian university where they sing all those ones are for a year people. I mean secret cult where they will be say a group of elites form to control the society, to keep their society well. For London here they. Now what in this cult then they do? This one na doctor, this one na engineer, this one na teacher, this one na MP, this one na banker. What thing then they do we say before any contract they come out, their members where they that company don't inform them. Say CEO you get contract where they come. So them now then go first apply. As they apply, if they get them, their member will be bank manager go help them get loan. As they get that loan, then go execute the contract, then go they rich. So them they make money among themselves. Now the only thing we court fit do for you, all those kind of things. No be say they enter that court, go they drink blood, all the nonsense and civil, they go kill children, drink their blood. From there they become millionaires. Bring your mama, bring your wife, like living in bondage, one of those useless movies. Although when I did small, I think it's a good movie. Bring your wife, all those things. No go kill your wife, oh, you go still there poor. All the people where they see, where they show for TV, say this person killed the papa, this person killed the mama for them. You get any of them where they were. They no resemble waiting go to chop finish from it. Because you know fit. One now waiting you go work out. It comes through struggle. Some they come through akaraka, destiny. Some people they work extra hard, make the money. Some do they make little effort. Then they work too much hard like that. Then they work. Work must be involved in making money. You hear what I tell you now? Work must be involved. From that work, and the people, you get people as you they sleep, then they sleep. They need to sleep. They just they build software. They make mistake. If you do that thing for 1 year, they see them wear one trouser, one watch, they see these people. But inside room, they are trying to develop a software. Inside room, they are thinking about a new business model where they go use. You go see them, oh, see that man, if they sell groundnut, you can't get upstairs. My brother, anybody where they sell groundnut, get customers, if they sell them in bags, in trailer roads, you go be billionaire. Even if na garri you dey sell, if you monopolize garri, say the whole Aba dey buy garri from you, go be billionaire too. No killing dey happen. And that one why I want turn na the panty. Oh, where we dey see people dey thief pant, when the thing don dey cool down now, nobody fit collect your pant, kill you. Na our women like dey talk, forget all those things o. The thing wey fit kill you na fear. As people don dey talk am now, say dem dey use pant to kill people, dem dey use pant dey kill you, those people begin. You get one useless man now for Benin or Warri, wey organize somebody, the person come dey vomit money. All those things na work o. That pastor na work e dey work. That thing no dey happen. If you lose your pant, forget am, e don go. Because e get people wey dey into fetish things. Dem fit no wan sleep with woman na pant dey want, old pant na dey want dey smell. If you go for website for this Europe, you get fetish website where people they sell their pants, old pants, used pants. If you go eBay, Amazon, even Facebook where they use, go to their market site, you go see people where they sell their pants. No be for ritual, or not everything for Nigeria or Africa we think say na ritual. No, you get people where be say na their own mentality, na waiting they arouse their sexual urge. Not to this, you get somebody if you go his house, you see pants full everywhere. Where you buy online, you buy this one from South Africa, you buy this one from Russia, you buy this one from. Now you food the house, you dey smell them. When I dey go club in those days, penthouse with them, you go see people who go drive come there, they price pants. The girls go they laugh. The price. Before they know, girl don't come up and give them 500 pounds. The man go they smell and they enter motor. But if it happen for Nigeria, people go say, hey, whoa, na ritual, na ritual. For this country, people, they break mortuary, go, they sleep with dead people. When I mean sleep, they have sex with dead people. That's so their mentality, their mind madness, sexual madness, don't scatter their brain. No be for ritual. Nigeria, see mad people who carry belly. No be for ritual. You get people who be say, only that mad person, they sweet them. Normally, that mad person, they sweet them. The main ritual where they see people waiting in the cave, you getting waiting they call human organ trafficking. That one they exist. It exists, but unfortunately, it be like say our police officers for Nigeria never know this thing. You go see say they carry one gear, kill them, come out the organs. Some doctors and nurses they into this cartel. They fit carry you for as a girl, as on a day motor. They put something inside drink, you sleep up, they carry go hospital. Come out your kidney. Cell, you die, they come out you, they carry your body through one place. People go see, oh, money ritual, they don't catch this girl, they don't kill them. No, now your kidney they don't carry. Now organ traffickers, they fool Nigeria, they fool Africa. In fact, they get the ones where they get for Zazimba one time. Well, white people. Now for airport, they catch them with human organs. People beat them, they kill them. You understand? So now why I say make I touch this topic. If you dey broke, you dey suffer, no ever anybody convince you, say make you go kill your brother, or kill your mama, kill your papa, kill anybody, you still be a poor man. You understand? You have to work hard. As you dey, if you go begin learn how to work today, in next 4 or 5 years, it don't come out. Begin to make small money. To make money on a gradual process, you know they fall bam, all those ones forget them. Now small. But if it see one product where if it discover, begin sell that product, monopolize that product, you will tell me. Now what it make Igbo people they rich? Now trading. The richest people in this world now, the traders, people where they trade a product, ordinary toothbrush and toothpaste. If not only you, they produce them for one state alone, Lagos, you are going to be a billionaire in dollars. No go kill anybody, my brothers and sisters. If you lose your band, laugh, leave am. Because na fear fit kill you. Nobody fit use your band make money. It's impossible. Even Kukuma here say even the babes, you know, they even wear pants. They are just there laugh. You know that kind of thing. Because in those days when we did you know, if we are babes, you know, when we have pants come, a good thing to us. But my brothers and sisters, this one, now here we go leave them for now. Na very short program. Make we send that message out. Make we just share them. Because December don't they reach. Make we know here say they don't kill any of our sisters, any of our mothers, any of our fathers. Anybody begin now to work hard, begin now to look for physical way of making money, no be spiritual. No be spiritual, no physical. Now here we go, and my brothers and sisters, make una know to provoke for this small program. Because one thing they sweet me, now when people watch program, call me, say, "Una try. This program where you do, it change my mind. Share this program, make it reach other people." Thank you. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.
Ebeka unusi Biafra, Ebeka unusi Biafra, Gama vapu Biafra, Gawe bozo gabibi, Agama vapu Biafra, Gawe bozo gabibi, Biafra gadi.